Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Komal Makar, your computer teacher. Today we will do Curricular Assessment 2 and Co-Curricular Activity Part 2. Students, in this curricular assessment, we will just do the exercises which are based on the previous lessons. So this is the revision work only. Let's start the exercises. Our first exercise is take the correct option. First is the bar at the bottom of the desktop is dash. Icons, gadgets, taskbar, and the answer is taskbar. Second is Internet Explorer is a dash. Web browser, website, tool, and the correct answer is web browser. Internet Explorer is a web browser. Third is dash is the largest collection of information on the internet. First is www, website, and browser, and the answer is www. World Wide Web is the largest collection of information on the internet. Fourth one is which of the following is not a web browser? Three options are given: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Photoshop. And the correct answer is Photoshop, because Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are web browser. Fifth one is dash are mini programs on the desktop. Three options are given: gadgets, taskbar, and calculator. And the correct answer is gadgets. Gadgets are mini programs on the desktop. Sixth is dash stores data and information permanently. Three options: hard disk, ALU means arithmetic and logic unit, CU means control unit. And out of these three, hard disk stores data and information permanently. Seventh one is dash toolbar is on title bar. Three options: status bar, quick access toolbar, or ruler. Correct answer is quick access toolbar is on title bar. Next exercise is write true and false. First option is to write some text in Paint, one should use oval tool. Answer is wrong, because to write some text in Paint, one should use text tool. So this option is wrong and answer will be false. Second, to select color of any object, color picker is used. This is a true sentence. Third, to draw a plain closed figure bounded by straight lines, we can use polygon tool. It is a right sentence. Now next is co-curricular activity part 2. Answer the following questions. First question is, what is digital citizenship? Answer is, digital citizenship is how internet user should manage online relationship, provide personal protection from online attacks, and show accountability for posted online viewpoints and opinions. Second is, what is internet? Answer, internet connects millions of computers all over the world with one another through cables. Third, define an icon. Icon which we are watching on the desktop, these are small pictures that is used to open a program, file or folder. Next is, what is the use of text tool in MS Paint? Text tool, its picture is just like A alphabet and it is used to write text in the selected area. When we are clicking on the text tool, then our cursor will be ready to write text. Question number 5. Name any 3 types of brushes available in Paint. 3 types of brushes are airbrush, watercolor brush, oil brush. In the brushes category, you will find calligraphy brush also. So you can write the name of calligraphy brush also. Question number 6. Write the steps to save a file in MS Word. The steps to save a file in MS Word are: click the Office button. Where is the Office button? It is the left top corner of the screen. We will click on the Office button. Click the Save option. After clicking Office button, one pull down menu will become. From that menu, we have to select Save option. And when we will click on the Save option, one screen will be shown. From there, one portion is given, File Name box. In that portion, we have to type any name of our file. Whatever name we want to write, we will write the name of our file. Now after that, right side again Save button is given, so click on the Save button. Write the names of tools used to draw these pictures in context to MS Paint. First picture is of star, and this can be done with the help of line tool. Second picture is of rectangle. So we can make this picture through rectangle tool. Third picture is circle. We can make this picture by the use of oval tool. And this face picture is also made by the oval tool. Next, these birds, we can make this freehand drawing with the help of pencil tool. And sixth picture is a curve. This can be made by the curve tool. Folder. Number 1 arrow is pointing towards a folder. You can see some files in it. Number 2, Start button. Number 2 arrow is pointing at the Windows button, which is also called Start button. And you can access programs from it. Number 3, Quick Launch Bar. Number 3 arrow is pointing at the panel on the taskbar, which contains shortcuts to programs we use. That is why it is called Quick Launch Bar. Number 4 arrow is pointing at the taskbar, which is the bar that gives quick access to programs and other settings such as date, time, calendar, etc. System tray. This arrow is pointing at the tray in the taskbar, which resides at right side of the taskbar and contains system settings such as audio control, time manager, calendar, etc. Sixth one is gadgets. They are the small programs or gadgets that comes with the Windows. They are used to show some tasks like clock, CPU manager in a small tile. Seventh, title bar. A title bar is a header of any program which contains name of the program and close, minimize and maximize buttons. So chapter is over. Now You will complete all the work in your book in copy and learn the exercises also. Hope students you understood and enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.